Hello everyone, this is Tanmay Sharma. My register number is UR15CS188. This is my experiment number 10 for the Java lab, and the title of this experiment is file handling. So here I have been assigned a task in which I have to create a Java program to extract the word which does not start with the first letter of my name from the file. For example, say I have created any file, say findmystuff.txt, and for example let's say my name is Sam. So I have to extract all the words which start with letter S, small s or capital S, and then I have to display the total count of the words which start with the first letter of my name. So let's check out the code. So here I have created a class called file handling, and inside main method here I have created the object of scanner. So as you can see here, I have created the object of class file, and then inside this new file object is equals to new file. Like this I have given the reference of this path to this ob variable, ob reference variable. So as you can see, this is the path I have specified, and this is on the desktop. So with ob.create new file, this file will be created inside the directory file handling, inside this directory on my desktop, on my system. So now here I am getting the data from the user, and then I'll put that data into the file. I'll write that data into the file. So for writing the data into the file, we have to create the object of file output stream. So as you can see here, I have created the object of file output stream named ob1, and then here I have passed the reference of, I have passed ob, that is this path location I have passed. That means I am telling this to the object that he has to write the data he has to write the data in the file which is present in this particular location, that is in the reference variable ab. So as you can see now, whatever data I am getting from the user, I have stored that in a string object st, string variable st, and that st I am converting it into bytes using st.getBytes, using .getBytes method, and then I am storing it in a byte array, and that array I am writing in a file using this object dot write, and then I am passing the array within the parenthesis of this write method. So now again I am asking the user to enter his name, and then I am storing that inside a variable nm. So now if the user entered his name as small s, for example let's say Sam, but inside the file there will be words which will be starting from the capital S as well as small s. So if whatever user is entering, if user is entering the capital case, then I am converting that capital, I am keeping that capital case in F1, and then using this logic I am converting it into the small case, and then that small case I am storing it in F2 of the first letter of user's name. And here as you can see here nothing I am doing, just I am typecasting it. Like whatever the username is entering his name, I am storing that name into the character array, and then the first element of that character array would contain the first letter of the user's name. So that letter I would convert it into integer, first into byte and then into integer, and then I would add 32 if it would be within this range. This is just I am converting with the help of this logic. If the first letter of the user's name is in small case, then it would be converted into capital case, and if it is in upper case, then it would be converted to lower case, and it would be stored in F2 variable. So after that, now I am reading the data from the file input from the file using file input stream class. So I have created the object, and as I have mentioned earlier that I have passed the reference, that is the file path, and here this I am initializing a variable r with 0 and a character c and a count variable with 0. So as we all know that whenever a file ends, the object, this dot treat method, it returns the value -1. So while it does not returns the value -1, it would take out all the characters from the file and it would match the characters for lowercase and this one for uppercase. So if either of them is true, then the value of count is incremented, and then it would print the number of words. So now let's check out the output of the code. So let's run the program. So as you can see here, it's asking the user to enter the data in the file. For example, let's say with uppercase we'll start hello, hi user, how are you, let's say something this. So here as you can see, I'm having two upper cases of H and one lower case of H. So let's say the name of the guy as Harsh. So as you can see here, I'm entering Harsh as the name of the guy. So the first letter of his word is H, which is in smaller case. So in this case, for this particular test case, the expected output will be 3. That is, the value of count will be 3. So as you can see, the number of words are 3. So now we would search whether the file is created in the desktop in the file handling directory or not, and whether this text is being written in that or not. So as you can see, this is my desktop. In my desktop, as you can see, this directory is there, file handling. Inside this directory, my file is there, my file. So as you can see here, it's showing hello, hi user, how are you. So all the matter that we have written there is being written in this file, and then it is being read from the file using file input stream, and then these words are being counted and then it is displayed. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you for watching my video.